Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back on a Friday, December the 27th. We have two Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. We will start with the light Sudoku. And yesterday there was no newspaper, and the day before yesterday also, because it's a Christmas day and Boxing Day, so no newspaper on those days. Today we have two Sudokus, and let's get started with the light Sudoku. Alright, I see a 1 in the last column, a 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for 1 is here or there, but I see here a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between, the only two places for 1 is here or there, but I see here a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only two places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Now, let's see. A 7 in this column, a 7 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in this box. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then which number can I use? Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for 4 is here or there, but I see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so in the second column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column between, the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for 4 should be here, here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, I see there 4, so no 4 there, only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes. And then 2 missing numbers for this big square, for the numbers 8 and 6. I see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then one missing number in this column for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 6 in that row, 6 in this row. So in the row between, the only two places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 here. 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Yes, alright. One missing number in this middle row for the number 8, I believe. Yes. Then two missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 8 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes here. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 over there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there and the 3 goes there. One missing number in this second row for the number 3. One missing number in this third row for the number 9. 9 is missing, yes. One missing number in this column for the number 2, I believe. Yes, 2. One missing number of this big square for the number 8, yes. One missing number in this column for the number 2, yes. One missing number in this column for the number 9. Two missing numbers in this row for the number 9 and 5, I believe. Yes, 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be there and the 5 goes here. Two missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes here. One missing number in this row for the number 3. One missing number of this big square for the number 8. The final number here for this big square for the number 5. So we finish this in 9 minutes. Alright, people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel or download the PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you with the next Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy. Thank you again, and bye-bye.